Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for July 12, 2019. Today we're looking at the GBPUSD Great British Pound versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, not too hard to see we are in a downtrend. It's been a downtrend for quite some time. The tall or long black trend line at the very top of the chart shows the high all the way up there into the 1.336080 level at the very top of the chart, pushing down. Recent lows pushing into the mid 1.24s. We've reached a significant low at the very bottom of the chart. Earlier this week we looked at it, and let me scroll back just a bit. There we go. Back far left-hand side of the chart where the blue circle is. We saw the market challenge that orange shaded area where the blue circle is, bounce, and eventually made a new uptrend. And we noticed earlier this week that we were challenging underneath that orange zone, was unable to sustain a hold underneath there. Now we've seen a little bit of a pullback for the pound dollar. Zoom it in on that a little bit. There it is. It challenged underneath it. We had a little bit of an opportunity to take a short underneath 1.2470 and saw a little bit of profit, but came back up, took us out at break even. Then it's now pushed back higher. The dollar has been pressuring down, pressuring back up. It's been back and forth all week long. Here we see the pound dollar pushing now into what is a historical area. You look back here to the left hand side, you see this blue circle here, support on the left hand side, and we're holding there yesterday and so far today into resistance, bringing this shorter trend line, the black trend line, into view. We're right there underneath that black trend line. The green shaded area, 1.2530, 1.2545 is the zone we're watching today. Again, support back here offering us a clue to current resistance. Really, the main focus for the day today is that we want to see it stay within and underneath that green zone, return to the downtrend, and pressure back down here to the orange zone, or maybe even eventually breaking through the orange zone and going down and making a new low within the direction of the trend. So we know there's risk. The risk is the market does something opposite of that, right? We get back above the black trend line, back above the green shaded area, back above what was support, now acting as resistance, and the market goes higher. So we always know there's risk that the market does something we don't expect it to do. So we're trading the trend. We're trading on a rally into resistance, which provides lower risk and higher reward, and we're looking for the opportunity for profit in the direction of the trend, knowing the risk is the trend changes. If the dollar were to suddenly fall off, tank today, if there's poor news for the US or the dollar just falls off, or we see any good news for the UK, then we could see this turn right back around, break the green zone, the pink zone, and go back up. But for the time being, I don't see any real price action evidence that is going to do that. Take Fibonacci just real quick. From the high of the black trend line down to our current low. Interesting here, 236 is at 1.2520, just underneath the green zone. 382 pink zone, 1.2570. We touched that yesterday. So the question is, will we make another rally, run towards that 382 and break it and go higher? Or the touch yesterday down here into the green zone, will that be enough to send it back down and make a new low? We could, of course, take that Fibonacci all the way up to the highest high of the blue trend line. Let's just select it here and take it up to the top of the blue trend line. In doing that, we find the 236 sitting at 1.2613. That happens to be the blue zone. So if we get a significant pushback higher, the blue zone becomes our next area of resistance, and then potentially the purple zone way up here. So there's a lot of upside potential. But again, the trend is really what we're focused in on. We're focused in on that downside in the direction of the trend, looking for another surge higher for the USD today, turning it down towards the orange zone. That doesn't mean it will happen. If the dollar if the dollar falls again today, we can see this take a turn back higher. So at least we know where we're making our trading decision. One of two things is going to happen: break higher or bounce back down for the pound dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.